This is the FIFINE AmpliGame SC3 audio mixer, and let's get straight to the point. This mixer is perfect for anyone who wants to stream or do content creation. Yeah, this just has everything packed into such a small device that it fits easily on your desk anywhere, and yeah, it gives you everything that you need basically. So we got an XLR connection, which also has an instrument port. We got a dynamic to condenser switch, depending on the type of microphone you're using. We have a headset port that doubles as a mic port. So if you plug in a headset, you can adjust the mic of the headset and the audio. We got a line in if you want to plug in your phone or something. We got your headphone jack, line out, and of course your USB-C port to power the mixer. And then on the front we got your phantom power, we got auto tune, which is crazy, and then we got 4 custom buttons. We got a light switch to change the lighting effects, and we have a change voice button,
which lets you change your voice.
And yeah, this is pretty trippy. I'm hearing myself right now. I don't really sound like a female, but yeah, whatever.
That's what I sound like if I was a robot. Monster.
And then we got the baby. Does it sound like Alvin and the Chipmunks?
And then we got the elder. And then in order to reset it,
you just hold it down. Same with the electric part. We got your auto tune. It's lit. It's lit. Yeah. Just hold it down if you want to stop it. And for the buttons, you hold down the custom button until it starts illuminating, and then once you're done talking, you just take your thumb off. And if you press the button, it'll repeat back what you said to it until it starts illuminating, and then once you're done talking, you just take your thumb. Yeah, so it's like a soundboard. So my custom A right now.
That bird that I hate. That bird that I hate.
So yeah, that's pretty cool. And then of course you have your mute button. You can mute each input or output, and you have to have this on. You have to have the mic monitor on if you want to hear yourself. You can adjust the volume and adjust the of the mic. But yeah, like super compact, super well made for pretty cheap too. Like I'd say this is a better Go XLR in my opinion. I think the only feature that you're missing out on is the instrument port, as it is combined with the XLR port. You can't really have 2 in one. You have to sacrifice one for the other. But if you're just using this for streaming or gaming or just casual use, then yeah, I think this is a really good option for you. It's literally just plug and play. There's no software needed. And if you have the switch on dynamic mode, it will automatically turn off phantom power, because you don't need phantom power for a dynamic microphone. And then once you turn on condenser, it will adjust the gain and allow phantom power to pass through. So yeah, that's pretty cool. This is what I sound like on the FIFINE AM8 on the Lewitt Connect 2. This is my daily driver. I've been using this for almost a year now, and it's what I use for all my videos. So if you've heard me in any other video, it's probably using the Lewitt Connect 2. Now this is what I sound like on the FIFINE SC3 using the AM8. Yeah, not too big of a difference because it's just a mixer. But yeah, just in case you wanted to know what I sound like, this is what I sound like. In the unboxing, we have the user manual, a USB-C cable, an aux cable, and of course the mixer itself. But yeah, anyways, in conclusion, this is a really good compact audio mixer for those who want to start streaming, recording, or just gaming in general. It's super small, super light on your desk. It's not moving anywhere though. And yeah, it has a whole bunch of cool features if you want to have fun with your friends. But yeah, super well made. Good job from FIFINE again. I definitely recommend this to a lot of my friends who want to upgrade their audio game a little bit more, but don't want to spend an insane amount of money on a mixer like the Lewitt Connect 2. So yeah, great job from FIFINE.